Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. I welcome you to the very first topic on data handling, that is Vlookup. Now, this is data set that we're going to be working with. It's a data set gotten from an online apparel company. This data set has a unique key phrases column, campaign column, category column, month column, sign-ups column, conversion column, sales column, ad cost column. Now, we also have another table here. We have a table that contains a trending column, campaign column, sales column, and ad cost column. So in the trending column, we have a trending topics, various trending topics that we're going to be searching for in this data sets. So now we're going to be using Vlookup to search for each trending topics in this data set. So now let's say, for example, we want to return a campaign value for fashion men clothes here. So now we using Vlookup, we write Vlookup. So now after you write Vlookup, it requested for a lookup value. Then what are we looking for? We're looking for fashion men. You select it. After selecting it, then it asks you that you should select the table array. Now for all, then you select your table array, select the entire table array, then you make sure you anchor it. After anchoring it, you place comma. So the next thing that you'll be doing is it will ask you for column index number. So now the column for the campaign, if you count the index number, if you count it now 1, 2. So now column, the index number of campaign is 2. Then the next thing, it will ask you that you should use true for approximate match or false for an exact match. So we want exact match here, so we are going to make use of false, since we want exact match. So if you click enter now, it will return the campaign for fashion men. So the campaign for fashion men is designed. Now if you want to, if you want to find the campaign for each of the trending topic here, guys, you know what it is. We simply double click and it will give us the campaign value for each of the trending topic. Now let's say, for example, now we want to find the sales, the amount of sales for this particular fashion men. So now we just press equal to, then we use Vlookup. Once you type in your Vlookup, then this is what we are looking for. That is our lookup value. Then also select the entire table. Then the next thing, select the entire table, then you anchor it. After anchoring it, comma, then what is the number of the index number of sales column here? If you count, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the index number of sales column here is 7. Then you write 7, and we want exact match. If we want approximate match, we write true there, but if it is exact match, we use false. So we write false, then you close your bracket and hit enter. So now the sales value for fashion men clothes is 250. Now to find the sales value for the remaining data set, we simply double click. Now let's say, for example, we want to find the amount of money that was spent on each trending topic. So if we want to do that, we press equal to, we write Vlookup, then you double click it, then you select the lookup value. This is the lookup value, then comma, then the table. We select the table, select the entire table array, then you make sure you anchor it. After anchoring it, then what is the index number of ad cost? The index number of ad cost here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The index number of ad cost is 8. Then we write 8, then comma, then since we want exact match, we simply use false. Then you close the bracket and hit enter. So now the ad cost for this particular trending topic is 13. Then for us to do for the same for the remaining data, we simply double click for it to copy the formula down for the remaining data. Guys, this is how you use Vlookup in data to filter or to search for a particular topic in a data set. Thanks for listening. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.